I'll get it.
Her Royal Highness, Princess Stella's friends, Mia and Freya.
Sorry, Freya. Sorry, Mia. I've told him like 1,000,000 times to skip this.
Don't worry about it.
What now, Princess Stella?
Can't you just stop? We're not at the palace. Nobody likes all this trumpeting here.
Oh, but people love my announcements.
No, they don't.
His Majesty the King's pizza delivery.
Hello. Did you find anything for our jumble sale?
Here you go.
A very charitable old lady.
Oh.
Hey, Mike.
Her Royal Highness, Princess Stella's friend, Mikey.
Say you're invited to dinner at somebody's house, but they make something you totally hate. Would it be okay to just...
Leave it. Oh, it is never okay not to eat something a host offers. There is no bigger or more serious diplomatic offence.
But I can't eat Brussels sprouts. I can't.
Your Highness, I assure you, expanding your palate is easily accomplished. As you have never had it before, we shall start with liver. Fork in left hand, elbows stuck to the sides.
Yuck, yuck! I didn't think there was anything more disgusting than Brussels sprouts.
Now, as liver has proven challenging, let's get back to the sprouts. Mixed with other vegetables, you won't even... Very well. Let's try something else, shall we? This sauce, which is a recipe from my Caribbean cousin, might disguise the taste of the Brussels sprouts.
It doesn't smell like Brussels sprouts.
Yes, I should have mentioned it is a little spicy. And now, something of a palate cleanser.
Chocolate truffles! Finally something tasty. Yuck, yuck, yuck! Ugh.
Not even chocolate works. I give up. I concede defeat.
You're going about this the wrong way. Empty your mind. Get rid of all your thoughts. There's a stream in your brain that is washing every idea away. Think of nothing. Let the water wash all your worries away. Psh, psh. Listen to that stream flow and flow with it.
I can't empty my mind. I'm too worried about eating Brussels sprouts. And after all this talk of water, I really have to pee.
Okay. Meditation's not for everybody. This is a technique I learned in method acting class, back when I was poised to become a great actor.
When were you poised to become a great actor?
Don't disturb a professional at work. I want you to picture yourself in a pan with Brussels sprouts and liver. I want you to become Brussels sprouts and liver. Feel what they feel. Think what they think. Their hopes and dreams, their fears and worries. It's working.
I think I'm going to be sick.
She's clearly not cut out to be an actor. Welcome to Lifestyles of the Royal and Furry. Today's show is all about the freedom of the house pet. When the king and queen are away, the bunnies will play. When nobody's home, royal pets can make any room in the palace their ensuite. Is that bed super king size or super trampoline size? Yippee! well-sprung mattress with extra bounce, padding, and real high fluff pillows. Ah, this is the lifestyle. Royal pets always make the most of their access to fashion. A bejeweled scepter sets off a crown and a cape perfectly. I call this look pretty but powerful. The key to relaxing is all about the snacks. They need to be easily reachable as well as deliciously munchable. My nibbles of choice are carrot caviar, washed down with a hay, coriander, and avocado flour smoothie. And the best place to have that, of course? In the bar. Call me if you need an escape plan, girlfriend. No!
She's not even answering. Thanks, Snowy. Some escape plan.
I've got just the thing for you. And now, my avocado face mask with sugar peel. Oh.
Snowy! 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 I know you're in there! Open the door! Snowy! It always looks so easy in the movies. Aha! When you get to the window, just crawl in. I've got you.
Stella, what are you doing?
Shh! Keep it down, Molly. I can't help it. The rope is squeezing me and I need to...
What on earth is going on? What is that awful noise?
We forgot the key. So now we're trying to get in because I really need to go to the bath. Shh! Don't tell her. She'll just make fun of us forever. Oh, the royals don't know how to use a key. Sure, they can't open a door without their butler.
Oh, the royals don't even know how to open a door. Well, why don't you use...
School project, Mrs. Kaufman, about gravity, like Newton and the apple. Whoa.
What's with all the screaming out here? I can't even hear my own postings.
No! We haven't got a key, and I need the bathroom. And Stella's got a date. It's not a date.
Whatever.
Honestly, and none of you even thought of simply ringing the doorbell to summon Mr. B.
It's his day off.
But my phone's in there. No!
Snowy, you have to help me.
Crisis before breakfast. Oh dear, this better be good.
Pimple panic. See? It's huge.
OMG, that's bad. Indoors for the rest of the week. A pimple like that must never be seen in public.
You have to help me. Fur. You covered my face in fur?
What? You don't like it? Wait, there's more. See? Pimple gone.
Those are all filters. I can't wear a filter to school.
Well, sorry, Miss Pimple Face. I like my filters. Real life is overrated.
Ah! Huh? Ceremonial cannons? Huh? Snowy, what in the world? Why are you waking me up?
What's the big deal? Beauty sleep clearly has no effect on you. Done.
So if we take x squared and reverse it, then take the inverse of that square and carry it over
Great
to
bed
the other
hair,
column.
Stella. Yes, Stella, great bed hair.
What are you talking about? Stella, have you seen this? Huh? How basic girls wake up versus how beautiful bunnies wake up. Hashtag bunnylicious, hashtag influencer bunnies, hashtag ferocious, hashtag so soft for real, hashtag... Oh great, 1,000 likes. Not many more people are going to see this though, right? Snowy, will you take that post down right this instant? Ah! Ow. Huh?
Could this packaging be any more lit? Let's see what's in it. Another bottle of soft for real conditioner. Ugh.
What's all this?
Gifts from our sponsors.
Our sponsors?
We went viral, baby. People can't get enough of this beautiful bunny. And seeing as you're my community manager, yes, these are our sponsors.
So I think it's fair to say we have nothing in common.
Yes, nothing.
What are you doing?
Live streaming this awkwardness as part of my new docuseries? Roommates that don't. You two cage birds have over 10,000 followers already, but I think a cat fight would double your likes.
Ugh, Snowy, get out!
Ooh, that worked too.
She is the worst pet ever.
I don't know about that. Snowy is bad, but I think my pet is worse.
Jarvis, I'm home. Walkies, Jarvis. Jarvis.
Jarvis sounds hilarious, but seriously, Snowy is way, way worse. Action. Give me the look.
Delete that at once. My fans must never see me like this. And then you can fluff up my powder puff.
No! Snowy, no!
But this attention is my attention.
And they are fish.
Thank you. Now, Freya, I see you have something on your desk.
This is Walter the worm. He likes to eat mud.
Ew, yuck. Bugs are so disgusting.
Let me rephrase. He liked to eat mud.
Thank you, Freya. And this parrot, who owns him?
This is Patrick the parrot. He's from an extraordinarily noble line of parrots.
Call me sir. Call me sir.
Aw, he's so cute.
Call me sir.
I haven't got a pet, but I had a goldfish once.
Ooh.
And you, Stella? Who did you bring?
This is our tortoise, Mr. P. We've had him for a long time. Mostly he likes to eat and sleep.
He looks a bit boring.
Does he bite?
Of course he bites. Look at him.
Call me sir. Call me sir. Call me sir. Call me sir. Call me sir.
Let me tell you that if anyone should be called sir, it's me. I'm a direct descendant from the noble Acupara tortoise, and I have had the great honor of rendering my utmost loyal and steadfast service to the royal family for generations. Something I do with grace, even when they ask me to do things beneath my dignity. And for the record, no, I do not bite.
Whatever.
Call me sir. Call me sir.
Oh, really, be quiet, you.
Ow.
Whoa! Awesome tortoise!
Yeah, I want one of those.
Is there a return message from Your Highness?
No. Yes. I don't know.
Ooh, do we have drama?
Yes. And big time.
Did you lose your pencil at school or something?
I've been invited to the party.
What? A party for cool kids? And you're invited? That's good.
No, that's brilliant.
Don't understand. I told Mia and Freya that I'm not going.
No. Here is how it works. There's a party, you're invited, you go.
But Mia and Freya aren't invited.
That's how it works. Not everyone is invited.
But I promised them a movie night.
And a promise is a promise.
Don't you try to guilt trip her, you dinosaur. Off you go. We will text our answer.
We're fine, thank you.
Let me just say this. It takes a long time to grow an old friend, but to lose one takes but an instant.
Are you still there?
What am I going to do?
Press send.
Guys, our movie night is off. I'm terribly sick. But I'm fine.
Oh, Stella. Stella, darling, I have so much to teach you.
I can't send this. This is lying.
Well, think about not going to the party. Everyone important is there. So then comes Stella, the princess. She is the talk of the town.
I never learn, do I?